This is a video showing the assembly of the Firden exercise bike. Firstly, make sure the box is in the right upright position before taking out the product. Contained are the various pieces: the bike body, the leg stands, full instruction manual, the toolkit, all the necessary screws, washers, nuts and bolts, including an Allen key. The seat, the handlebars, the necessary support columns, and the pedals. The first step is to attach the main floor stand to the bicycle unit. Insert the bolts provided into the two spaces. Attach to the main bicycle unit. Insert washers and the nut. Then make sure you tighten the nut using the provided tool. Next, attach the rear floor stand using the same process as previously. The next step is to attach the pedals to the body of the bike. Note the hole in the body of the bike and align the nut on the pedal into the hole. Affix and tighten. Further secure and tighten the pedal using the provided tool in a clockwise movement. Repeat the same process on the other side pedal. There are three support brackets: the handlebar bracket and two support brackets for the seat unit. Insert the handlebar support bracket to the front of the bike unit. Do the same for the seat support bracket at the rear of the bike unit. Tighten and push down where necessary. Next, attach the handlebars to the main bike body. Check that you have the provided nuts, bolts and Allen key. Insert the bolts into the bike body. Repeat for all 4 bolts and tighten with Allen key. The next step is to insert the control unit. Ensure that the batteries are put in place, and then align the control unit with the bike body. Then, attach the connection cord from the bike body up to the control unit. Next, insert the handlebar cover plate. This item just snaps into place. Finally, attach the seat unit to the bike body.
I just purchased the YOSUDA exercise bike. It took me just less than 30 minutes to assemble it. The majority of the bike was already assembled in the package that it came. Just had to do some additional parts like the handlebar and the legs. What I really like about the exercise bike is it's very adjustable. You could adjust the handlebars for comfort, and the seat could either be raised or lowered very quickly by the knobs here. You could move it forward or back again for various distances, and higher to lowered. The pedals are great because it has brackets here that you can put your feet in there and your feet won't slide off. It's got a tensioner over here which allows it to be for more advanced bikers using it. It's more tension or less tension depending on the person using it. Also has a nice monitoring system for both the timer, how long you're on for, speed, calorie count. Really versatile. I definitely would recommend the bike. It's a very solid unit.